Indian Motorcycles 2018. The big news is the new FTR1200 Indian revealed last week. The bigger news is how close to production ready it looks, complete with lights and carbon fiber bodywork, which may have to give way to plastic on a real production version. Indian's Gary Gray says they built it to see what the public reaction would be, but I think the public had already reacted as soon as they built the FTR750 race bike, which was wildly successful. The wrecking crew was on hand to pull the cover off the concept bike. With motorcycles now having to meet EU4 emission rules, there has been an ongoing homologation process at Spirit Lake to ensure Indian offers the best products possible. For 2018, all of the Thunderstroke 111 engine models have 15 more horsepower and an 11 lb-ft increase in torque. Now there's 84 HP and 110.6 claimed lb-ft. Indian Motorcycles International Product Manager, Ben Lindemann commented, Indian's engineering team achieved the increase in power and torque by removing intake restrictions, equipping the bikes with better flowing exhaust, and optimizing the calibration for the setup. The results are a substantial 21% power increase and an improved throaty exhaust tone as well. Scout Bobber new for 2018. Available in 5 color schemes. 5 models. Indian Motorcycle Red, Thunder Black, Bronze Smoke, Star Silver Smoke, Thunder Black Smoke. Scout updated for 2018. Scout has had updates for 2018 based on feedback from customers over the past 3 years. It will now come as standard with a pillion seat on the rear and footpegs for a passenger. The Scout's existing telescopic front fork has now been replaced with a cartridge fork, making a real difference to the ride and feel. To improve the handling even further, Scout will now also come with Pirelli tires as standard. Scout 60. Scout 60 remains the same for 2018 but will come in 2 new color schemes, namely polished bronze and thunder black/titanium metallic. 4 models. Indian Motorcycle Red, Thunder Black, polished bronze new color for 2018. Thunder black/titanium metallic, with red pinstripe, new color for 2018. Springfield. Springfield comes in an extra color for 2018 metallic jade over Thunder Black with silver pinstripe. 3 models. Thunder Black, Steel Gray/Burgundy Metallic, Metallic Jade/Thunder Black new color for 2018.